Welcome to my Cambridge CBSE English classes. Today I am going to explain you the third part of the chapter, A Letter to God, of the first flight of class 10th. The explanation is bilingual, line by line. A paragraph will be first explained in English and then in Hindi. I am also giving you certain important extracts and their questions along with their answers. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe. You can also listen to my explanations of the chapter of English of class 10th and 12th. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you may get notified. The next Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual and asked to the employees of the post office if there was a letter for him. The postman himself handed the letter to him. The postmaster, experiencing satisfaction of a man who had performed a good deed, he looked on the Lencho from his office. Lencho did not show the slightest surprise on seeing the money, such was his confidence on God. But he became angry when he had counted the money. He had a great faith on the God. He thought that God could not have made such a mistake, nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested with him. Immediately, Lencho went to the window to ask for paper and pen. On the public writing table, he started to write letter to God again. He made a great effort to express his idea. When he finished his letter, he went to the window of the post office to buy a stamp which he licked and pasted on the envelope with a blow of his fist. The moment the letter was dropped into mailbox, the postmaster went to it and opened it. Addressing to the God, Lencho wrote in his letter that he had received only 70 pesos out of the money he asked for. He had requested God to send him the rest of the money since he needed it very much. He further added not to send the money through the mail because post office employees are a bunch of dishonest persons. Lencho. Now the explanation in Hindi.
अगले रविवार को लेंचो समय से कुछ पहले पोस्ट ऑफिस आया और कर्मचारियों से पूछा कि उसके लिए कोई पत्र आया है। पोस्टमैन ने स्वयं उसको पत्र दिया। पोस्टमास्टर ने उसे एक संतुष्ट व्यक्ति की तरह देखा जिसने एक अच्छा कार्य किया हो। उसने अपने ऑफिस से लेंचो को देखा। वे पैसों को देखकर बिल्कुल आश्चर्य व्यक्त नहीं किया। ऐसा भगवान पर उसका विश्वास था। जब उसने पैसे गिने तो उसे गुस्सा आ गया। उसने सोचा भगवान ऐसी गलती नहीं कर सकते, न ही वे लेंचो को मना कर सकते थे जो उसने उनसे अनुरोध किया था। लेंचो तुरंत पोस्ट ऑफिस की खिड़की पर गया और उसने कागज़ और पेन मांगा। पोस्ट ऑफिस की मेज पर उसने फिर से भगवान को पत्र लिखना शुरू किया। उसने अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करने के लिए अथक प्रयास किए। उसने पत्र समाप्त किया तो डाक टिकट खरीदने के लिए पोस्ट ऑफिस की खिड़की पर गया और उसको लिफाफे पर चिपका दिया। जैसे ही उसने पत्र को जाकर पोस्ट बॉक्स में डाला, पोस्ट मास्टर ने जाकर उस पत्र को निकाल कर खोला। भगवान को संबोधित करते हुए लेंचो ने लिखा कि उसे उसके द्वारा मांगे गए पैसों में से सिर्फ 70 पैसों ही प्राप्त हुए। उसने भगवान से प्रार्थना की कि उसे पैसों की बहुत आवश्यकता है। बचे हुए पैसे भी भगवान उसे भेज दे। उसने आगे कहा कि पैसे डाक से ना भेजे, क्योंकि पोस्ट ऑफिस के कर्मचारी बेईमान व्यक्तियों का एक समूह है। लेंचो।
Now extract. It was during the meal. It was during the meal that, just as Lancho predicted, big drop of rains began to fall. Northeast, huge mountains of clouds could have been seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. The men went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. When he returned, exclaimed, there, these are not raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins. The big drops of 10-cent pieces and the little one are fives. With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flower draped in the curtain of rain. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, large hailstorms began to fall. These truly did not resemble, these truly did resemble with new silver coins, the boy exposing themselves to run out to collect frozen pearls. Question. Each question is of 2 marks. Why did Lencho compare the raindrops with coins? How did climatic change? How did the climate change? What was it, the effect of it? Now the explanation in Hindi.
जैसा कि लेंचो ने भविष्यवाणी की थी, उसके डिनर करने के दौरान बड़ी बड़ी बरसात की बूंदें गिरना शुरू हो गई थी। पहाड़ों जैसे आकार के बादल नॉर्थ ईस्ट दिशा से आ रहे थे। लेंचो ने बदलते हुए मौसम को महसूस किया। लेंचो घर के बाहर गया ताकि अपने शरीर पर बरसात की बूंदों का आनंद महसूस कर सके। जब वो घर में वापस आया, उसने बरसात की बड़ी बूंदों की तुलना 10 सेंट और छोटी बूंदों की तुलना 5 सेंट के सिक्कों से की। लेंचो ने अपने पके हुए मक्के के खेतों को संतुष्ट नज़रों से देखा। उसके खेत घनी बरसात की चादर से ढक गए थे, परंतु अचानक तेज़ हवाएं चलने लगी और साथ में बड़े बड़े ओले बरसात के साथ गिरने लगे। यह ओले चांदी के सिक्कों के समान नहीं थे। बच्चे बरसात में बाहर ओले इकट्ठे करने के लिए भागे।
Second, extract. He wrote to God on the envelope, put the letter inside, still troubled, went to town. At the post office, he placed the stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. One of the employees at the post office, who was a postman and also helped at the post office, went to his boss laughing heartily, and showed him the letter to God. Never in his career as a postman had he known that address. The postmaster, a fat, amiable fellow, also broke out laughing. But almost immediately he turned serious and, tapping the letter on his desk, commented, "What faith! I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter." Starting up a correspondence with God. So, In order not not to shake the writer's faith in God, the postmaster came up with an idea. Answer the letter. But when he opened it, it was evident that to answer it needed something more than goodwill. Question. What did why did postmaster become serious? What did he wish? To answer the letter he needed something more than goodwill. What did what did the postmaster require more than goodwill? Why? Now explanation in Hindi.
पोस्ट ऑफिस में काम करने वाले एक पोस्टमैन ने पत्र को लिया और हंसते हुए पोस्टमास्टर के पास गया और भगवान के लिए लिखा गया पत्र दिखाया। अपने कार्यकाल में पोस्टमैन ने इस पते के बारे में नहीं देखा सुना था। पोस्टमास्टर एक मोटा और विनम्र व्यक्ति था। हंसने लगा, परंतु लगभग तुरंत वह गंभीर हो गया। हल्के से पत्र को मेज पर थपथपाते हुए कहा कि इस व्यक्ति का भगवान पर बहुत बड़ा विश्वास है। उसने इच्छा जाहिर की कि इस व्यक्ति की तरह उसका भी भगवान पर विश्वास हो, जिसने यह पत्र भगवान को लिखा है। लेंचो का भगवान पर विश्वास बनाए रखने के लिए पोस्टमास्टर ने इस पत्र का उत्तर देने का विचार किया।
Now extract third. Immediately Lencho went to the window to ask for paper and ink. On the public writing table, he started to write with much wrinkling of his brow caused by the efforts he had to make to express his ideas. When he finished, he went to the window to buy a stamp which licked and then affixed to the envelope with a blow of his fist. The moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. It said, God, of the money that I asked for, 70 peso reached me. Send me the rest since I need it very much. But don't send it to me with the mail because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks, Lencho. Why Lencho annoyed after receiving the letter? What was the content of Lencho's second letter? Say, you must try and you will find the answers of these questions at the end of the extracts. Now you will listen the explanation in Hindi.
लेंचो तुरंत पोस्ट ऑफिस की खिड़की पर गया और उसने कागज़ और पेन मांगा। पोस्ट ऑफिस की मेज पर उसने फिर से भगवान को पत्र लिखना शुरू किया। उसने अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करने के लिए अथक प्रयास किए। उसने पत्र समाप्त किया तो डाक टिकट खरीदने के लिए पोस्ट ऑफिस की खिड़की पर गया और उसको लिफाफे पर चिपका दिया। जैसे ही उसने पत्र को पोस्ट बॉक्स में डाला, पोस्टमास्टर ने जाकर उस पत्र को निकालकर खोला। भगवान को संबोधित करते हुए लेंचो ने लिखा कि उसे उसके द्वारा मांगे गए पैसों में से सिर्फ 70 पैसों ही प्राप्त हुए। उसने भगवान से प्रार्थना की कि उसे पैसों की बहुत आवश्यकता है, बचे हुए पैसे भी भगवान उसे भेज दे। उसने आगे कहा कि पैसे डाक से ना भेजें, क्योंकि पोस्ट ऑफिस के कर्मचारी बेईमान व्यक्तियों का एक समूह है। लेंचो।
Now you can see the answers of the extract. Extract 1, extract 2, extract 3. First you do it by yourself and then match whether you have written the same answer with the same representation, with the same presentation or not. Now assess your understanding. Each question has to be answered in 200 words. Lencho believed on God but not on humanity. Discuss. Second question, suppose you are the postmaster. How would, how would you have felt after reading the second letter of Lencho? Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.